Implementation Stress Testing Kali Linux. Armand Shahriarian.
Implementation stress testing Kali Linux. Important consideration: ethical use. Ensure you have authorization to stress test any network or server. Unauthorized stress testing can be illegal and harmful. Safety. Stress testing can cause network instability or downtime. Test in a controlled environment and have backup in case of issues. Monitoring. Use network monitoring tools, for example IFTOP, TCP-dump or Wireshark, to track traffic during stress testing. Limit. Use rate limits and timeouts to avoid overloading network or servers. Stress testing network involves simulating heavy traffic, multiple connections, or other conditions that can help identify network performance issues, bottlenecks, or stabilities problem. Kali Linux provides several tools to stress test networks, such as HPing3, NPing, IPRF, and SIGE. Here's how you can use these tools with examples. First tools, HPing3. HPing3 is a network packet generator and analyzer. You can use it to send custom packets to test network resilience and response. HPing3 is typically pre-installed on Kali Linux. If it's not installed, it with this command install HPing3 to Kali Linux. ICMP flood or ping flood, to send a large number of ICMP packets to a target IP address. With this command, hping3-1-flood-i eth0 and IP. -1 ICMP mode --flood continuous sending of packets -i eth, specify network interface or replace with the correct interface name and this IP target IP address. For implementation, this command hping3 stress testing, go to Kali Linux and go to terminal open, type hping3-l-flood eth0 and target IP address. First, type ifconfig command. This interface is eth0 and ping google.com. The Google IP is this, and type command hping3 stress testing and use IP Google this. Enter. HPing stress testing is run. Cancel this and SynFloat. Next stress testing tool, SynFloat. to simulate a SYN flood sending many SYN packets to a target port with hping 3-SYN-flood-p port 80 and IP -SYN SYN packet and -p 80 target port. For example, for use this command, go to Kali and type this command and use IP Google and change port 43 and use Google IP address, enter and run this command stress testing. Cancel this, and next command, nping. Nping is part of a Nmap suite designed for packet generation and response analysis. For installation nping with this command, apt install nping ICMP flood. To send a high volume of ICMP packets, use ICMP flood with nping -ICMP-rate 1000 and IP. -ICMP send ICMP packet -rate 1000 means 1000 packets per second, and IP target IP address. For use this command, go to Kali Linux terminal and paste this command and change IP address to Google IP address and change packet rate, for example 2000, enter. This command, stress testing, run successfully. Next command, SYN flood. To send many SYN packets to a specific port. For nping -TCP-flag SYN -rate 1000 -destination port -80 port and IP. For use this command, copy this command and paste this and change IP address, for example Google IP address, and change port 443, destination port Google, and rate 2000. And enter for run script successfully. And next command, iperf. Iperf is used for network throughput testing, allowing you to measure bandwidth between 2 points. For installation iperf, use apt install iperf command and next bandwidth test. To test bandwidth between a server and a client, set up iperf on both ends. On the server side, listening on a specific port with iperf-s command. On the client side, sending traffic to the server with iperf-c IP-T10-P4. -C IP connect to this IP address, -C connect to the IP address, and -T10 duration in second, -D duration, -T duration 10 seconds, -P4 number of parallel connection number 4 parallel connection or other. number. Next command for stress testing, Sage. Sage is used to stress test web servers by sending multiple HTTP or HTTPS requests. For installation Sage stress testing tools, with apt install Sage command and stress testing a web server to simulate 100 users making 1000 requests to websites with this command Sage. For test stress testing Sage command, use this command and paste this command here and type domain google.com and enter this command. Do you want to install it? Yes, and after install run this command -c 100 number of concurrent user 100 -r10 number of time each user repeats the request, 10 user repeat request, and http example.com target URL. After install Sage command or Sage package, run this command and work perfect and successfully.